Hello friends, this is M.H. Ansari. Now new subject HOD or KBH Polytechnic given to me, RAC, refrigeration, refrigeration and air conditioning. Subject code abbreviation is RAC. Subject code 22660, and I will conduct the lecture 3 per week, and 70 marks as a theory board exam and 30 marks, in which 2 tests of 20 marks and 10 marks for micro projects. And in this subject you have to prepare term work of 25 marks, practical progressive assessment, and 25 marks practical internal exam. So this is the scheme of RAC, refrigeration and air conditioning. Apart from these subjects, this is an elective subjects. So college decided that all students should follow the one elective subject of RAC instead of computer integrated manufacturing, renewable energy technology, entrepreneur development, capstone. These are the elective subjects. You have to select any one. Okay. So out of these 3 subjects, one subject is selected, that is RAC, computer integrated circuit, refrigeration and air condition, renewable energy sources. These 3 elective subject is given to you, and out of these 3 we have selected one, RAC, refrigeration and air conditioning. In 5th or 4th semester you have studied power engineering, I think. That is the first part of thermal engineering, power engineering, or RAC. RAC is the actually second part of thermal engineering or power engineering, in which we have to study first unit, refrigeration. In refrigeration we will study necessity of refrigeration, unit of refrigeration, concept of COP, coefficient of performance, actual and theoretical, reverse Carnot cycle and its representation on PV and TS diagram, Bell column cycle and its representation on PV and TS diagram with simple numericals. So numerical will be asked in this subject, simple numericals. Air refrigeration system, concept of air refrigeration system, its application. And in second unit we will study refrigeration cycles and refrigerants, the principle of vapor compression cycle, main components, representation of PH and TS diagram, conditions, dry compression, effect of superheating, effect of undercooling, calculation of refrigeration capacity and power required, multi-stage vapor compression refrigeration system and its necessity, advantages and application. Vapor absorption cycle, its a principle, its a component, working of aqua ammonia vapor absorption system, working of absorption system, Electrolux refrigerator, working, main components, applications, comparison between vapor compression system and vapor absorption system. These topics we have to study in second unit. Refrigerant, what are the refrigerants are used in refrigeration system, desirable properties, classification, designation of refrigerant, selection of refrigerant or relevant application, system vacuumization, charging process, leak testing method and process. Montreal Protocol, Kyoto Protocol, concept of ozone layer depletion, greenhouse effect, global warming, eco-friendly refrigerant. Application of refrigeration, household refrigerator, water cooler, name of the manufacturers and their products with capacity. And in third unit, we have to study refrigeration. Third unit name is refrigeration system components. In refrigeration, components are used like compressor. So we have to study the classification and construction working of hermetically sealed compressor, open type compressor, rotary compressor, centrifugal scroll compressor and their application. Condensers, we have to study condensers, its classification, working, water cooled condensers, evaporative condensers, comparison and application. Evaporators, we have to study evaporators, its classification, working, finned type, bare tube, plate type, flooded shell and tube type evaporators, their application. Chillers, direct expansion and folded type chillers, working and application. Expansion devices, its classification, capillary tube, automatic expansion valve, thermostatic expansion valve, selection, working and application. Other components like dryer, solenoid valve, thermostatic switch, defrosting devices, working and application. In fourth chapter, we have to see basic of air conditioning, necessity, types of air conditioning, comfort, air conditioning, industrial air conditioning and applications. Principle of psychometry, Dalton's law of partial pressure and properties. Similarly, we will study psychometric processes, representation of processes of psychometric chart, types and construction of psychometers, components used for air conditioning, humidifier, dehumidifier, filter, heating and cooling coils. And in fifth chapter, we will see cooling load calculations, comfort conditions, heat exchange by a human body with environment, factor affecting on human comfort, calculation of sensible and latent heat gain sources, cooling load calculation for auditorium, metrology laboratory, classroom, etc. And the last chapter or sixth chapter will be air conditioning system. The classification of air conditioning system, summer and winter, year around air conditioning, construction, application and comparison, construction and working of window split package type air conditioners, central air conditioning types, direct, indirect, central air conditioning, construction, capacity and application. Concept of air handling unit, air distribution system, closed perimeter system, extended perimeter system, radial duct system, losses in ducts, construction and application of supply, return and makeup ducts, grill diffusers, types of fans and blowers. Insulation, we have to study insulation system used in air conditioning system. So what is the purpose of insulation, types of insulation, material to be used for insulation system and their properties. Introduction to automobile air conditioning system. These topics we have to study in 6th semester under the subject of RAC, refrigeration and air conditioning. That subject will be conducted by me, and I hope I will record the lecture and it will be posted to the our group made on WhatsApp. Just you have to click the link and watch the video, and if you face any difficulty, you can call me. And now board has compulsory the attendance. So how the attendance is to be taken on video, I can see how much students watch this video and view of this video. According to view and watched, I will mark you as present or absent. Or one more thing you can do, after seeing the video you can reply me, have seen the video, so I can mark you present. So this will be the strategy for conducting the subject RAC. From tomorrow I will start first chapter, and hope you will understand whatever will be done in teaching learning processes. And if you got any difficulty, try to call me. I will try to solve your difficulty. Okay, thank you.